guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm bringing you a video called Thrifted to Gifted, and I had picked up this jewelry box for $2 at our local Goodwill, and I am going to be sprucing it up a little bit. I will be using some of this Annie Sloan chalk paint in Duck Egg Blue, and the inspiration for this piece came from the paper that you will see that I will use Mod Podge and some brushes and scissors and screwdriver to take the handles off on it. And this is the paper that I'm talking about. The very first page when I open it is what had given me the inspiration for this project. This video is part of a collaboration hosted by Crafting with Rita today with Rita Renee. I will have her channel linked down below. This is my first time participating in this challenge or collaboration. She does this quarterly, but it is first time participating for me. I will have the playlist linked down below as well. So the very first thing that I do is I kind of cut out a piece that's big enough, and then I score it with the screwdriver around so I can give it a better cut for a better fit. Then I use Mod Podge on it to glue it on. I put a generous amount on the bottom so that way it doesn't lift off anywhere, and then I recover it again. Then I cover it up again with Mod Podge for several coats just to give it a smooth kind of permanent look. This video is also part of my day 3 of Vlogmas. I am doing Vlogmas this year again. If you had a chance to watch my Vlogmas last year, thank you for that. This year I'm doing a little bit of a different format. I am sharing something different every single day, whether it's cooking, cleaning, DIYs. It's more of a purpose video rather than just like a vlog style video. So once I have covered the top with the paper, I take off the handles with this little tiny screwdriver, and I give this jewelry box 2 good generous coats of paint. And as I said, I'm using Annie Sloan Duck Egg Blue. So it is one of my favorite colors that Annie Sloan has. This paint actually I've had for a very long time, and it was quite dry, and I added some water to it, mixed it up, and it was like brand new again. I also want to mention that if you're not following me on Instagram, you should. I do post daily doings there. That is more of a vlog. I wouldn't call it necessarily vlogging, but it is a lot more personal, I would say, of my everyday life. I guess glimpse into my everyday life is what I am doing. And I also have a Facebook page, so if you would like, you can follow me there as well, and a Pinterest. And it's all under Domestic Diva Blogs 76 blog. And as you can see, I use a smaller brush to do the edging. It just makes the painting a lot easier. And before I move on to a second coat, I also remembered that I should paint the inside and the back of it. I did not realize that there was something sticky on it, so I am trying to sand it off, but it didn't really work either. I didn't want to use a harsher sandpaper because I was worried it was going to scratch it up, so I just gently removed it with some screwdriver. once it was dry, I had reattached the handles back on. I really liked the way the handles looked, so I didn't want to do anything to them. And that was it. This was a very easy little DIY project to do. I love the way it turned out, and I think I'm going to be gifting it to someone special, but I'm not gonna say who because they might figure it out. So here it is. I think it looks very cute. In my opinion, much better than what it started off with. And I want to thank Rita for hosting this challenge, and make sure you check out the playlist. And if you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to press the subscribe button, stick around, see what my channel has to offer. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.